Guangdong Derui Testing Equipment Company Limited, established in 2021, is a professional manufacturer specializing in the research, development, production, sales, and after-sales service of environmental testing equipment. The company's main products include constant temperature and humidity test chamber, which can simulate various climatic environments, thermal shock test chamber for rapid temperature change tests, xenon lab aging test chamber that reproduces sunlight aging effects, UV aging test chamber for evaluating material weather resistance, as well as high-precision ovens for industrial curing and drying. Our company headquarters is located in Dongguan, Guangdong, an industrial corridor seamlessly connected to Shenzhen Port and Guangzhou Airport. Our quality management system is certified to ISO 9001, and our products bear the CE mark, complying with EU safety standards. Our experienced technical team provides comprehensive pre-sales consultation and constant solutions, while our after-sales team offers round-the-clock service support to ensure customer satisfaction. Products are widely sold across China and exported to over 20 countries and regions, including Vietnam, Thailand, the US, the UK, and Nigeria. The company now actively expands into markets like Saudi Arabia, Dubai, Brazil, New Zealand, and Australia, welcoming global clients to cooperate on product consignation and technical collaboration. Whether procuring standard models or requiring custom-built chambers for extreme environments, clients benefit from the R&D team's 3D modeling services and the sales team's multilingual project management support.